Are you searching for detailed information about the fuse box diagram and location in the 2024 Chevrolet Suburban? What are the primary functions of the various fuses, and how can you identify which ones correspond to specific electrical components? Engine compartment fuse block. The engine compartment fuse block protects essential electrical systems, including the engine, lighting, and fuel pump, by housing various fuses. It features a clear diagram on the cover for easy identification of each fuse's purpose. Designed for quick access, it allows for straightforward fuse replacements to ensure reliable vehicle operation. Instrument panel fuse block. The instrument panel fuse block houses fuses for critical components such as the dashboard, infotainment system, and interior lighting. It includes a labeled diagram on the cover for easy identification of each fuse's purpose. This design allows for quick access and replacement, ensuring the reliable operation of essential vehicle features. Rear compartment fuse block. The rear compartment fuse block contains fuses that manage electrical systems in the rear of the vehicle, including rear lights, power outlets, and additional accessories. It features a clear diagram on the cover for easy identification of fuse functions. Designed for convenient access, it allows for quick replacements to maintain the functionality of rear components.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions, blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions, disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.